Basic salary 10,224. Chest pains. Professor delivered chest pains. Hi guys, welcome to the village. Today we are looking at payslips of lecturers, and there is two from private colleges and one from a public university, a lecturer from a public university, and then we also have a payslip of a university professor. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education, with a dose of reality check. I know you've been waiting for the professor one. Yeah guys, it will give you chest pains for sure, but let's look at the first one from a private college. Okay. Hi Boni, I have a degree in finance and internal auditing. I have been in academic industry for 5 years now. I must say it was really disappointing to see an academic institution paying that low in your previous video for a lecturer position. This is a private college. Okay, this person had seen me posting another payslip of a lecturer. Let's see Bona in this private college. Should they teach something around finance? I'm assuming. All right. Basic salary 33,000. Okay, pays you earn 5,200 and something. UIF standard pension 1,900. Okay, monthly package 33,000. Okay, internet pay of 25,000. But let's check the hours. Okay, it's not showing me the hours, but I'm sure guys this is part-time. Yabo. So yeah guys, it's okay, whatever. You'll be the judge. But you know, a private college, it means it's part-time, right? Let's go to another private college, all right, and see what they are teaching. Hi Boni, I'm a subscriber on your YouTube channel. Hi guys, I'm so happy that now our village here on YouTube, they also send us a payslip. The email is here if you like to send me your payslip. We only use the email address for payslips, guys, not for CVs. Okay, right. I've been a lecturer at this particular college for 6 years now. I hold an honors degree in business management, which I completed in 2017. Right, basic salary 10,224. Medical aid allowance 370. I think the other one, this is the payslip they were referring to. Total earnings 10,793. Net pay of 9,553. Provident fund, they are contributing 312, pays you earn 450, and then there's, I think it's medical aid 370. Total deductions 1,240. Okay, mind you, this is a private college. Before you have a heart attack, okay, this person has an honors degree in business management. I know what you are thinking already, but guys, this private college, it's a pity I can't share the name of the company with you, but I can see it. If if I'm passing by it, I'll be looking at them like it's one of those private colleges that are typically in town. You know, in the CBD, you'll find them there in the CBD. What a mess. Okay, now let's go to a university lecturer, someone who's teaching at a public university. All right. Okay, they wrote quite a lengthy email for you guys so that I can share this with you. Hi Boni, I'm a lecturer at the University of Technology. I hold a master's degree. I started lecturing after 3 years of in the communication space. Okay, so they have 3 years of industry experience. I have been on contract for 4 years and secured a permanent position only this year. The payslip does not include medical aid because my spouse has added me to hers. Okay, fine. I must emphasize that salaries depend on negotiations. Okay, the university's initial offer was to leave me with a net of I negotiated at least of and we met at okay. Okay, I advise job seekers to negotiate from the net pay, not the gross. Guys, then how are we going to calculate? How do people, like, is there a way, HR people, can you help us? Like, is there a way, is there an app, is there something that we can use to calculate our deductions before we get surprised? Because I'm sure many of us, we just get surprised after the deductions. It's not something that we are aware of okay, what is going to be our net salary. So he states that you need to negotiate from your net, not your gross. They would still need to ensure that the increase in the net is not a reduction of the pension and other benefits. Okay, rural-based universities pay more money than urban-based universities because they want to attract and retain talent. A friend of mine earns twice the amount than I earn. Okay, and we started simultaneously simply because he is in a rural-based university. Okay, if you come into lecturing with a high pay slip, for sure, like when you're teaching STEM, they can only offer you higher or match the salary in such cases. Okay, basic salary 42,725, homeowner allowance 1.8, total taxable income 44,540. Okay, so total deductions here is 20,300 and a net pay of 31,900 rands. So let's go back to the email, what they were offering him before. He said they were offering him a net of 27,000 and he wanted a net of 35,000. So they met at 31,000. Okay, so yeah, guys, please don't forget to like this video. Now we are moving to the professor salary. The reason YouTubers like myself request that you like the video so that YouTube can recommend it. If YouTube sees that, oh okay, this person is liking the video or there's some like engagement on the video, of course YouTube will then recommend it to other people. And guys, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Yeah, that's just the ways that you can and also guys, abona amalone lawadlalayo phela guys, ningawaskiphi. uYouTube afuni phela masintshela ngemboniso. Ngizothi yini imboniso ngesiZulu, yabo le mboniso le yempahla edlalayo during ivideo. Enye indlela yokusupport ichannel ukuthi uyibuke imbonisa bo ungayeqi. Okay, so now we're moving to the professor. I have more than 15 years experience, okay, working in universities, currently a professor in one of the universities. I hold a PhD. PhD in public health. Okay. Yes, so okay, ayikhale guys, azikhali yangizusengitheni azikhali. Basic salary 87,000. Okay, non-pensionable allowance 71,250. Director's allowance 17,400. Cell phone allowance 531. Total taxable income 176,000. You know, the only question I have for you, Prof, is how many hours? How many hours per week? How many hours per week? Master professor, guys, how many hours? Okay. Medical tax benefits 2,200. Pay as you earn 48,000 ish. 917. And then there's other deductions. So total deductions for this payslip is 77,850 and a net pay of 10617. Chest pains. Professor delivered chest pains. PhD in public health. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please like and share it with someone that might need it. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one. I think next on the Tea with the Villagers, we are hosting someone in the tech space. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's whom we are hosting this Wednesday. Do make sure that you check it out. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.